Hello, hello, hello! Hi everyone! Today's video, we're going to make a special dessert to celebrate Easter. Hey Olga, tell them what we're gonna make today.
Мы сейчас собираемся делать национальную, пушистую и очень вкусную паску.
Yeah, like she said, we're going to make a moist, fluffy, delicious traditional Easter bread. Yes! Today with Olga, we're going to make this beautiful Paska. Woo! Can't wait to try! So,
Давайте начнем.
that's right, let's get started! Now, in a bowl, we're going to combine yeast, half of the milk, 3 tablespoons of the flour, and the first half of the sugar. Mix until combined, cover with a plastic or a clean kitchen towel, set aside and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. And now we're going to soak the dry fruits with hot water until moist. Here I'm only using 250 grams of raisins, but feel free to use any kind of dry fruits you like. Since the weather not that warm right here, I think I'm gonna need a help from my oven to place the batter later on. So I'm gonna preheat my oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and we're gonna continue making the batter for the dough. After the raisins are already moist, we're going to strain the raisins and then dry it out on the kitchen towel. Once the oven has reached the temperature, turn off the oven and let the door open. And let's continue making the dough. Add the remaining milk and sugar and shift in half of the flour. Mix everything just until combined. Next, we're gonna add in egg yolks into the flour mixture. And continue to mix until just combined. Now we're gonna add in vanilla sugar, salt, and curcuma, also the remaining flour. Keep mixing them all, then continue to mix with your hands. Once the dough starts to come together into a nice shape like this, it's time to do some exercise. Transfer the dough onto the work table or kitchen counter. Start kneading the dough until elastic, smooth, and everything well combined. We can sprinkle some flour as needed, and I think we'll be kneading the dough for about 5 minutes. Shape the dough into a ball and transfer the smooth dough back into a bowl. Cover with a plastic and a clean kitchen towel. Then, place the bowl into our warm oven or the warm corner of your kitchen for about an hour or more until it's doubled up in size. If the dough is still sticky like this, it's not a problem because this is not the final yet. Next, we're going to add in sour cream, oil, butter, lemon zest, and last, raisins. Give them all a nice mix. And now, after all the ingredients are already combined, well mixed and smooth, we're going to keep the dough back into our warm oven for the next proving for about an hour or more. Now we're going to preheat the oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Peekaboo! Yeah, look at this! How nice and smooth dough we have here. Time to divide the dough and put them into our beautiful Easter paper mold. But if you don't have paper mold, you could also use tomato cans. Just make sure to clean them first and grease them before you put the dough into each can. Shape the dough into a ball and place it into each of the mold. By the way, you could also use a kitchen scale to make sure that all dough kind of weigh the same size. And put the small sized dough into a small tomato can. For the last proving, it's going to be around 40 to 60 minutes until doubled in size. We're going to bake this gorgeous bread for around 30 minutes for the small size and around 40 minutes for the large size, just until the top of the bread turns golden brown. Next, we're going to make an easy peasy glaze. Just simply mix these three ingredients, egg whites, powdered sugar, and lemon juice on high speed. Mix until thick and glossy. If your icing is too thick, just add a little bit of water or lemon juice into it. Wow! What do you think about this gorgeous, beautiful, glossy glaze? Yes! For the first round, we have our small bread baked. Remove from the can and place it on a cooling rack. Next, the second round. Yay! The large size are ready. Wait until the bread cools a little bit, then remove the paper mold and it's time to put the icing on the top of our bread and decorate as desired. And ta-da! Look at our gorgeous and beautiful classic Easter bread. They're finally ready! It is so delicious, fluffy, and also moist. Let me try a bit as well. Oh god! Hi! Yeah, I can't get enough! So guys, let's celebrate our Easter and make this traditional bread at home! Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and comment my video, and also don't forget to turn on your notification button to be notified for more of my videos. See you next time. Bye!